Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satil here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Wi-Fi connected but not internet access. Go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. Click on this button, click on reset now. Your PC will be restarted. One click and confirm in yes. You can receive this message: you're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Click on close and restart your computer. To apply the change, go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. Log in your desktop. And you receive this prompt network confirmation. Do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PC and device on this network? We recommend allowing this on your home and work networks, but not public ones. In this case, I use no option. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.